Hi, this is Kavita Sani and I am a legal intern of Lexington Company and I am a law student of IME Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act Bill 2020, that is FCRA. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 was introduced in Lok Sabha on September 20, 2020. The bill amends the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, and the act regulates the acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution by individuals, associations, companies. Foreign contribution is the donation or transfer of any currency, security or article or beyond specified value by a foreign source. Prohibition to accept foreign contribution. Under the act, certain persons are prohibited to accept any foreign contribution. These include election candidates, editor or publisher of a newspaper, judges, government servants, member of any legislature and political parties, and among others. The bill adds public servants as defined under the Indian Penal Code to this list. Public servants include any person who is in the service of the government or remunerated by the government for the performance of any public duty. Transfer of foreign contribution. Under the Act, foreign contribution cannot be transferred to any other person unless such person is also registered to accept foreign contribution or has obtained prior permission under the Act to obtain foreign contribution. The bill amends to prohibit transfer of foreign contribution to any other person. The term person under the Act includes an individual, an association or registered company. Aadhaar for registration. The Act states that a person may accept foreign contribution if they have contributed a certificate registered from central government and not registered but obtained prior permission from the government to accept foreign contribution. Any person keeps seeking registration, renewal or such registration or prior permission is necessary. And the bill adds that any person seeking prior permission, registration or renewal of registration must provide the Aadhaar number of all its offices, bearers, directors or key functionaries as an identification document. In case of foreign, they must provide a copy of the passport and the overseas citizen of India for identification. FCRA account. Under the Act, a registered person must accept foreign contribution only in a single branch of a scheduled bank specified by them, and however they may open the account in other banks for utilization of the contribution. The bill amends this to the state that foreign contribution must be received only in an account designated by the bank as FCRA account in a such branch of the State Bank of India, New Delhi, as notified by the central government. No funds other than the contribution should be received or deposited under this account. The person may open another FCRA account in any scheduled bank of their choice for keeping or utilizing the received contribution. Restrictions in utilization of the contribution. Under the Act, if a person accepting foreign contribution is found guilty of violating provision of the Act or the Foreign Contributor Regulation Act 1976, the utilized or received foreign contribution may be utilized or received with the prior approval of the government. The bill adds the government may also restrict usage of unutilized foreign contribution for a person who have been granted prior permission based on a summary inquiry and pending any further inquiry. The government believes that the person has contravention provision of the Act. And renewal of the license. Under the Act, every person who has been certificate of registration must renew the certificate within the 6 months of the expiration. The bill provides that the government may conduct an inquiry before renewing the application. And a reduction in use of foreign contribution for administrative purpose. Under the Act, a person who receives foreign contribution must use it only for the purpose for which the contribution is received. Further, they must may not more than 50% of the contribution for meeting the administrative expenses. Surrender of certificate. The bill adds a provision of allowing the central government to permit a person to surrender their registration certificate. The government may do so if, post an inquiry, it is satisfied that such person has not contravened any provision of the Act, and the management of its foreign contribution has been vested in authority prescribed by the government. Suspension of registration. Under the Act, the government may suspend the registration of a person for a period not exceeding 180 days. The bill adds that such a suspension may be extended up to additional 180 days. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you.